Hi guys, welcome and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I'm going to show you guys this wireless microphone from SYNCO. Alright, here we go. So here it is. This is the SYNCO G2 with 2 wireless microphones. This is good for video logs, podcasts, interviews, and many more. This receiver has 2 channels. You're able to separate left side audio from right side audio. Channel A will be the left side audio and channel B will be the right side audio. Or you can set them both as mono. Then you will hear both of them on both left and right speaker. Let me show you a quick demo. This is pretty easy to use. Let's turn on each device by holding the power button for 3 seconds. It does not matter which one you turn on first. It will automatically pair with each other. Now as you can see, the audio bars are moving. They are paired successfully. Very easy. Now we can test the audio levels to see if you're happy with the sensitivity just by plugging the headphones in the headphone jack, and you can listen while talking into the internal mic or by plugging in the lav mic. You can talk into it while listening to it, and if either microphone is too loud or not loud enough, the sensitivity is too low or too high, you can change it by using this receiver and pressing the gain control. The higher the number, the more sensitivity the microphone is. 15 is the highest and 0 is the lowest. Now, when it's on mono, both A and B channel will change at the same time. Now, let's change it to stereo mode. Stereo mode is where channel A will be the left speaker and channel B will be the right speaker. Let's say if channel A is too loud, we can change it to 0 or a lower number where the sensitivity is lower. And if B is the audio level is too quiet, you can boost the sensitivity higher. You also have the option to mute your microphone as well by pressing the mute button. We're going to do a range test and audio test. All the way to the end is about 110 meters. So here we go, let's go. We are running and outside is a little windy. Not too bad. Not sure how is the audio sound right now. Hopefully it's clear and loud. I shouldn't have to turn my focus to the camera in order to receive this signal. This is wireless, so it should not matter which way you face. I passed halfway now. My dog is super happy. Oh, it's a little wet right here. All right, we're almost past 100 meters. It's about we should be past 100 meters now. Okay, we are at the very end. It's about 110 meters. Now let's head back. All right, let's go, Mochi, let's go. My dog loves to run. Oh, it's a little wet right there again. Grass is wet. Rain, must have rained last night. My shoes are a little wet right now. Okay. Past halfway. I don't know what's my dog doing. Come on, Mochi, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. She usually runs in a straight line, but not today. I don't know what's going on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Almost there. Yeah. What are you doing? Come on. Mochi, let's go say hi to the camera. Come on, let's go say hi to the camera. Oh, she's wet. Oh, no. Come on. Okay. Hello, everybody. It's my dog Mochi. Say hi to the camera, Mochi. Say hi. Hello, we're back inside now. I want to show you another quick demo. So let's change the gain numbers. As I increase, the volume should be louder. This is 0, should be the lowest. Now 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15 being the loudest. Let's go back to 9. Now we'll change the recording mode to stereo. And on stereo, you should be able to hear me more on the left speaker. Now I am going to switch over to the right side speaker, the B channel. You should be able to hear me more on the B side than the A side. Now switching back to mono, now we are back to normal on both channels, left and right microphones. Overall, I'm happy with this product. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.